In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the engine oil on this Dodge Dart. This vehicle has a 2.4 liter engine. Let's get into it. Underneath the vehicle, there should be a cover right here. This vehicle is missing it. You may have a screw you have to pull out. Pull that down so you can access the drain plug. And using a 13mm socket or wrench, loosen up the drain plug. And make sure you have a drain bucket underneath. And drain the oil out. After that's drained out, it's a good idea to replace the seal. The seal comes with the drain plug on this, so you'd have to replace the drain plug. If it's not looking good, definitely do that. Put that back in. I'm going to torque that to 30 foot-pounds. Take that off, push this cover back up, and put the screw in. You can wipe down any residual oil with a rag. Now we're going to remove the oil filter. There's a little cover right here. Slide this down. There may be a screw. You want to take that out. You can see the oil filter right here. Using a oil filter wrench, just take off the oil filter. Once you get it loosened, you can normally do it by hand. Make sure you have a drain bucket underneath to catch any of the oil. Just let that drain for a little bit. I'll take this off. And double check the top, make sure the gasket's there. You can look at where it mounts to, make sure there's nothing on there. I'm just going to take a rag and just wipe the adapter. The oil filter goes, just where it seals. That's good. You don't have to go crazy. Take some fresh engine oil and just rub it on the seal. That's good. Line that up, get that started, spin it on. Once it starts tightening up, you want to go another quarter turn or almost a half turn. Might need a rag. There we go. And just wipe it off and close that door. If there's a screw there, put that screw in. We're going to remove the engine oil cap, and you can see on the cap what type of oil to use. This vehicle is 0W20. Put a funnel in so you don't spill the oil. We're going to use 0W20 synthetic, and this vehicle is going to require about 5.5 quarts of oil. And that's 5.5 quarts of oil. Remove the funnel, put the cap back on. And you want to start the engine, let it run for about 10 seconds, 15 seconds, and shut the vehicle down and come check the level. Pull the dipstick out, take a rag, wipe it down, put the dipstick back in, and pull it out again. You're looking for the level to be in between these hash marks, right about halfway or a little bit higher than halfway. That's exactly where we are. We're good to go. Reinsert the dipstick, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.